A truck was moving fast on the highway. Traffic was coming from the opposite side. Everything looked normal. The driver stayed in control, but suddenly, the driver suffered a medical emergency. The truck began to drift. Slowly, it moved toward the left side. The driver couldn't react from the opposite lane. A pickup truck was approaching. Within seconds, bang! The truck hit the back side of the pickup. The impact was sudden and strong. Both vehicles lost control. The truck went off-road. Dust and debris flew everywhere. Behind the pickup, another car was coming. The driver saw the crash and tried to avoid it. He swerved off-road to escape, but the truck was already there. There was no space left. Crash! The car slammed into the truck off-road. A second heavy impact. Everything happened in just a few seconds. A dangerous chain of events, caused by one medical emergency.